guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about 7 best crypto lending platforms. So these platforms are crypto trading platforms that allow people to borrow loans in cryptocurrencies. So if you need your loan in Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, or any coin, just name it. These are the top best apps or websites you should visit right away to borrow your money. So it's as simple as ABC. And the first one on the list is CoinRabbit. Now, what is special about CoinRabbit is the fact that CoinRabbit doesn't do all sorts of KYC. All you have to do is register with your email and confirm your phone number. So once you do all that, you are good to go, and their interest per month is about 1.2% interest. So I think this is reasonable enough. CoinRabbit has been for some time, and they have lots and lots of options. They have loans, they have savings, and you can check out their partners and how the whole thing works. So if you need to get a loan from this platform, all you have to do is go to CoinRabbit.io, and once you get to the site, you can decide the kind of loans you want, or if it's savings, you can also do savings. So you have to send your collateral to actually get your loan, and how much you want to collect depends on the collateral that you have. So that's that for CoinRabbit. Now we also have Celsius.network. This platform says 1.7 million people call Celsius their home for crypto. Yeah, the truth is Celsius has been for some time, and it's also very easy to use. As you can see on the website, they have a mobile app, so you can either decide to use the mobile app or the website. They said they have paid 5,100 BTC, and as per the community members, they paid 83,332 Ethereum. So it all depends on what your plans are. But Celsius is also a good platform, and they have also been around for some time. So if you need a loan, Celsius is also a good one to contact immediately. So you can register on the platform, but they request for KYC, which is very easy to pass. So once you do all that, you can get started with Celsius. Now the third one is YouHodler. YouHodler.com has been around for some time also, and what they do is they help you hold your coins as collateral. So if you want to invest, you want to borrow a loan from any investment platform, you could actually use YouHodler as a form of escrow, where you deposit some funds and you apply for loan. So your collateral can actually stay with YouHodler, and you are good to go. If you check their media page, you will get to realize that they have been featured on Cointelegraph, Yahoo, Moneymongers, Bitcoins, Bazinga, CoinDesk, and some other platforms. So they are actually legit, and you can always deal with them. They said get your YouHodler crypto wallet app immediately. Now let's move on. How many have we mentioned, guys? I hope you guys are with me. Now we've mentioned 3. So the next one here is Compound. So Compound is a loan company, and what they give out is loans in cryptocurrencies. Another thing with them is you can also do a sort of investment with them. So with your investment, you can always get interest per annum and per month. So it all depends on what you want. So according to them, they said easily earn interest and invest, securely store and send, no seed phrase, no gas. So it all depends on what your plans are. You might want to borrow and also earn at the same time. If that's the plan, then you should think of checking out Compound.finance. As you can see, they've given out $815,000 million to borrowers, and for the collaterals, they've actually collected up to $2.3 billion in collateral. So it's a huge organization, and they're actually doing wonders because their figures are extraordinary. Now we have another one that we call CoinLoan.io. CoinLoan.io has been around for some time also, and they are really popular. They place adverts everywhere, and this has helped them in growing at the speed of light. So if you want to invest on CoinLoan, you can actually register on the platform, invest on CoinLoan, and they would use your funds to give out loans and share the profit accordingly. But now, for those who are only interested in taking loans in crypto, then you should know that CoinLoan charges 8.2% per annum, interest per annum. And if your loans are crypto backed, then they charge 5.5% per annum. So once you check the website, you get to understand that there are over 200 pairs available on the exchange. When we talk about pairs, we are talking about cryptocurrency exchange options or possibilities. For example, I might want to buy Dogecoin with BTC. That's a pair. I want to buy Ethereum with Dogecoin, so it's all a pair. So these guys have over 200 pairs on the platform, so you can never run out of options. Now the last we have 2 more to go. Now this is moneytoken.eu. It's a crypto backed loan and asset management platform. They charge about 10% for borrowers. Then they have about 85,142 users, and if you're a lender, you can make as much as 10% interest on your asset. So you can, once you get to the site, you can decide to become a borrower or a lender. It all depends on you, and it's as easy as ABC. All you have to do is visit the website, click on any of the options below that shows I want to become I want to borrow or I want to lend. Just select any of the options and you can get started. And lastly, we have the Binance. Now Binance is the almighty of cryptocurrency worldwide. They have about 1.4 billion active users, people that trade on the platform per second. About 1.4 million people, trading and buying different cryptocurrencies. From Binance.com, they have a very good app on Play Store. You can see it at the top of the website. You can just click on it and download. To register on Binance, you can check the link in the description section below. I'll drop the link. All you have to do is click on it and sign up. So for Binance, they have about 24-hour trading volume of $38 billion. They have, according to them, they have registered users of 120 million people. So the transaction fees are the lowest in the industry, and they have 350 plus cryptocurrencies that are listed on the platform. So Binance for me is all encompassing, and that's a very good thing for a company. Anything you want to do, from loans to marginal trading to spot trading, futures trading to P2P, everything, just name it about crypto, you get it there. So if you want to take a loan from Binance, you have to also deposit some coins as collateral. So if your aim is to get a loan that is crypto backed, then it shows that you must also have some crypto at least to serve as collateral. So guys, getting a loan in crypto is not an easy thing if you don't have experience of cryptocurrencies. So I think the first thing you should do is learn about crypto, learn about coins that can stand the test of time. Then you can buy them, maybe Ethereum, Bitcoin, USDT, and use them as collateral. Because if you buy a coin that doesn't make sense and you want to take a loan of about 1 year, by the time you return, it might turn to cents. So it is advisable to play safe and make sure you always buy coins that are tested, trusted, and have stood the test of time, so that at least even while you are trying to pay back your loan, your coin is not falling below standard. Thanks for watching our video once again, and make sure you subscribe, follow me in this channel. If you have any question, please drop them in the comment section below. I'll be right there to respond to all questions. And make sure you subscribe, share this video. I love you so much, and bye for now.